In this video, we will show you how to create Smart Shopping campaign in Blue Instant. After you are finished with your Google Merchant feed, Blue Instant need to update it. After that, it can take couple of minutes, you can create your first Smart Shopping campaign. In the Blue Instant menu, click on the Campaigns campaign list. Then click on the Create New button and choose Smart Shopping Ads. After that, there will be checking requirements for Smart Shopping campaign. If there will be any error message, go back in this tutorial and log if you done everything right. In this step, you need to set up budget and bidding. You can set up daily budget and bidding strategy type. Now, you can choose which products will be inside your Smart Shopping campaign. You can use filter and set it up how you like. We are going to use filter by brand. The other thing you can use is to filter products by custom labels, like if the product is in stock or out of stock, even in pre-order status. At the end of this step, you can set up minimum price, maximum price, minimum sale price, maximal sale price, and your margin. Also, you can add forbidden words in product titles and words that must be in product title. Click on the Save and Continue button to finish your first Smart Shopping campaign. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe or watch the next video.